I went back to a little bit further this time.
What is this, like the 80th take? So we were at an admin meeting and our superintendent Kathleen wanted to show us a couple of videos, one that was done over in Michigan by a couple of administrators, and this is a national phenomenon that started about 4 years ago, and Kathleen is a competitor and she said, you know, Corey and Brian, I think you guys can do this. And so we put our minds together and said, sure.
We were getting that idea that there was supposed to be some snow coming a little over a month ago. And so I contacted Brian and said I have an idea that we do a Simon and Garfunkel song, Sound of Silence, and I'll get some wigs and we'll wear turtlenecks and we'll just look really 70s and cheesy.
We met our goal of being cheesy and addressing an audience, and that's what we intended to do with Sound of Snow Day. And I think that helped, you know, promote it and it put Junction City on the map, as some people are saying now.
And I think it was afternoon, I get a text from Brian that's like, we're doing another one. And I was like, what?
Let's make another one. We all know that look.
I put my pants on the same way you do, except when I put my pants on, I sell gold records.
Hey, can we buy lockets of that amazing hair that you're rocking in the video? And
The locks if you're not locking.
Oh, locks. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Wait a second. I really like.
You're putting too many words.
Okay.
I like that, darling. Yeah. Say that.
Okay,
I like that, darling.
I'm not gonna call him darling.
Do it! You wanted top yesterday, we need a darling.
Darling.
On Wednesday, I was texting Brian, I was like, we should do Wham, because it's a cheesy duo, and the Wake Me Up song is pretty hilarious, and I was like, don't wake me up, it's another snow day.
Day 3. Here we go.
Winner bug down. Up. Winner bug down. Winner back. All of you guys. Stop. Stay.
When we get to the end of the hall, don't let me fall down the stairs.
5, 6. Get ready to go up. And out. Up, up, down, down, up, down, down. 5, 6, 7, walk. Yeah, bang, bang, bang. This,
There's a little bit of a pause there.
Winter bug.
Sorry.
Start over, he was
Go ahead.
talking.
leave me sleeping in my bed. I was dreaming, but it's another snow day. Haven't power since last Sunday. Wake me up.
Whoever said filming a video outside in a snowstorm was out of their mind. Burr.
What's a one-syllable thing that's nasty that nobody would want to eat that's still in the house?
I'm just following you, really. So you just sing, Brian.
Put the chillins to bed.
Back in my day, we didn't have all these snow days.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to the hospital for smoking.
I know CPR, it's all good. Can we start over? Because both times, still start over. So those are like a short pause.
Right.
Oregon School Administrator after hours.
Time to turn off the new Fortnite. Because the new Fortnite came out today. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da, 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 da. If you want to hear the truth, the snow days are over now. Eight, 9.
I saw media outlets from Portland, Seattle, and then my hometown of Boise had it on KTVB News, Spokane, Minneapolis, good grief, New York. That's probably what most surprised me, was just how this blew up with social media. Here's to the sound of Snow Day. Now we're gonna be going back to being administrators, but I wouldn't be surprised if you saw us again on video.